What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DWAC stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how this asset gained about 84% to its value. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what was the reason of this massive spike in its price. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, at the very beginning of September, and I've told you that because of this breakout below the range of support at $22.5, most likely we will hit lower price targets and we will break this range of support. And as you can see, it happened exactly as I predicted, and we had quite a long consolidation phase for more than 2 months at the ranges of roughly $16 mark. And as you can see, $16 became a very good range of support because we don't have a major price action below this range, and this means that this also might be a horizontal range of support for this asset. And right here, as you can see, at the very beginning of November, we had a massive movement to the upside that gained about 87% to its value, and right now this asset is in consolidation phase. And I have to say that we have very good chances to see higher price action for this asset, and in my fundamental analysis I will show you why I think so. So let's continue with the news. What was the reason of this movement to the upside? And first of all, let me show you this article that was published on investors.com on November the 7th, and it's titled DWAC stock skyrockets ahead of midterms with Trump set to announce run. Digital World Acquisition Corporation stock shot up almost 70% Monday as the special purpose acquisition company aiming to take former President Donald Trump's tech and social media platform public seems to be getting a boost from news Trump will announce another run for the White House this month. And let me show you another information. The Wall Street Journal reported Friday that Trump is preparing to announce a presidential bid by the end of November. DWAC shares shot up late last week after the SPAC delayed a shareholder vote for the 6th time on whether to approve a year extension to complete its merger with Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media is the parent of the conservative social media platform Truth Social. The shareholders' meeting is now set for November 22nd. DWAC's deadline to complete its merger with Trump's company had originally been in early September. However, the SPAC has claimed a Securities and Exchange Commission investigation of the deal delayed the proceedings. So we have a deadline of November 22nd, and it is the second deadline because let me show you this. So we are on thehill.com, and this article was published on November the 10th, and it says Trump to hold special announcement at Mar-a-Lago amid GOP pushback on 2024 bid. And let me quote you this. Former President Trump unveiled new details about the special announcement at Mar-a-Lago next week, which is widely expected to launch his 2024 presidential campaign, even as the former president faces pushback from within the Republican Party. Trump confirmed that he will be holding a special announcement at Mar-a-Lago on November 15th in a press release on Thursday night. So, and here is the first deadline that, in my opinion, might be very important for DWAC, and we are not far than 2 days before this announcement. So, and what should we expect? Definitely, if Mr. Trump will announce that he will start the run for the White House, definitely it might be a good catalyst for DWAC. But we have another condition that should be met in order to see the spike in price. So let me show you the Musk's Twitter and DWAC stock. Musk has been signaling that people who have been banned from the social media platform, including Trump, may be reinstated. This could be a death blow to Truth Social, but Trump has said he plans to remain on his platform. I'm staying on truth. I like it better. I like the way it works. I like Elon, but I'm staying on truth. Trump told Fox News Digital in late October. So definitely he wants to be on his own social media, but think of it like this. If you are a candidate for the president election 2024, will you use every possible sources to win this race? I think the answer is obvious. You will do it. And definitely this might be not so favorable for the DWAC company, especially in the situation when we don't have the exact certainty in the DWAC merger with the Truth social media. And that's why we have to be very cautious, but let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have very good movement to the upside, and this movement has a decent volume. And because of this setup, definitely we might see the trend continuation, and this trend continuation might be at least till this Tuesday. And what should we expect? So, first of all, let me show you that right here, from this bottom to this top, we probably have 5 waves structure. This is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth wave right here. And you all know that 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but 1 wave on a greater scale. This means we have to have a retracement, and this retracement is happening right now, and this probably might be the lowest point of this asset. And to project the levels, whether or not it is the most probable range of trend reversal, let's pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave. And what do we have right here? Yes, we hit the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, but we broke it, we barely broke it to the downside, and this is not the best sign from the bullish standpoint. And because of this, we have to see the next movement, and we have to project the probable outcome for this asset. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, we still have chances to hit higher targets with this asset, because it is quite good setup if we switch to 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we have very good increase in volume with this movement to the upside. This means most likely it is only the first wave in the 5-wave structure on the bigger scale, and this means this range of support at roughly $20.10, the lowest point right here, might be the pivotal point for this asset, and we have decent range of support and resistances. So first of all, if you want to enter the position, in my opinion, we still have the chances to see some kind of retracement right before we will have the next leg to the upside. And because of this potential movement, we can accumulate our position on the way down, but the stop loss order should be slightly below this previous bottom. And this implies, depending on the beginning of the entry of the position, it implies about 15% of downside potential, but the upside potential is following. To project the target with the assumption that this is only the first wave out of 5 wave structure, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top and to the bottom of the potential retracement. And so far we have this range at $20.4 as the lowest point of the retracement, and we have the levels of 1.618 as the most common ratio in between first wave and third wave according to Elliott wave perspective. And this means depending on the entry price, you might have up to, let me show it to you, up to 86% of upside potential if this asset will hit this range. But let's be more conservative, and right here we have another range of resistance that is at around 61% of potential profits. This means we have decent chances, as long as this pivot hold, to see this movement to the upside, and definitely we have to be very cautious and take a closer look on the upcoming news on Tuesday. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing